Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send TON from Binance to Bitget wallet. Alright, so your first step in sending from your Binance application to the Bitget Web3 wallet is quite simple. All you need to do is open up Binance. Once Binance is opened up, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from either the overview to the spot or funding and simply click on withdraw. You're doing this because you found where your TON tokens are. Once you found the TON, or if you can't find it, use the search icon to simply search for TON. Click on TON coin, click on send via crypto network. You're asked to provide an address. The network has been set to TON, a memo, and the withdrawal amount. So simply minimize and open up the Bitget wallet. Once it's opened, use the icon that says deposit. Click on this deposit here. Click on deposit digital asset so you own a digital asset. Click on this. Click on receive. Use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for TON, which stands for TON. Click on the TON mainnet and then proceed to copy your address. As you can see, there is no mention of a memo here, so minimize and open up Binance again. Paste the address in the address section, so paste the address there. No need for a memo. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Click on withdraw. By doing this, you successfully withdrawn your tokens from Binance to the Bitget wallet. Now, I do have to mention that there is a network fee, which is at the bottom of your screen here. There's a network fee of 0.02 TON tokens, and there's a minimum withdrawal amount here of 0.5 TON. So make sure you have that in mind. So when you minimize and open up Bitget wallet, you're going to find your TON tokens here once you've sent them. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.